Tired of working harder but seeing little progress? Ready to attract a flood of high-quality clients? Many business owners find themselves stuck in a cycle of endless work and minimal results. They've tried countless marketing tactics, but nothing seems to work. The key to breaking this cycle lies in understanding and implementing a proven marketing system. The problem: common marketing mistakes, like targeting the wrong audience, sending the wrong message, and neglecting follow-up, can hinder your business growth. The solution: a well-structured marketing funnel can help you attract, educate, nurture, and convert your ideal customers. By focusing on these key stages, you can attract, draw in your ideal customers through effective marketing strategies. Educate, provide valuable content to build trust and authority. Nurture, guide potential customers through the buying journey with personalized communication. Convert leads into paying customers with persuasive calls to action. Visit tapnet.com to develop your lead generation strategy today.